Having a coffee at the local cafe.
Good morning. The coffee smells great in here.
Good morning. Welcome to the Seattle City Cafe.
I need a large cup of coffee to wake up today.
You came to the right place. What kind of coffee would you like?
Can I get a large latte with oat milk, please?
A large oat milk latte. Would you like it hot or iced?
I would like it hot, please. It is a bit cold outside.
I can make that for you. Do you want anything to eat?
Yes, that large chocolate muffin behind the glass looks very good.
Oh, I have a small problem.
What is the matter?
That is a plastic muffin for the display window. We are sold out of the real ones.
Oh no, I really wanted a chocolate muffin.
I am very sorry. Our chocolate muffins sell like hotcakes every morning.
I understand. They must be delicious. What else do you have?
We have a fresh blueberry scone or a warm butter croissant.
A warm croissant sounds perfect. I will take that instead.
Great choice. I will warm it up in the oven for you right now.
Thank you. How much is the total?
Your total is $8.50.
Here is a $10 bill. Keep the change as a tip.
Thank you so much. I will start making your drink now.
Can I ask you a quick question while I wait?
Of course. What do you need?
Do you have free Wi-Fi in the cafe?
Yes, we do. The internet network name is City Cafe.
Does it have a password?
Yes, the password is coffee2026 with all small letters.
That is very easy. I want to check my email while I eat.
Take your time. We have comfortable chairs in the back corner.
Also, do you know a good place to buy a book near here?
Yes, there's a wonderful local bookstore right across the street.
Right across the street? That is very convenient.
It really is. They have a huge selection of travel books, too.
You are very helpful. I will walk over there after my coffee.
Here is your hot latte and your warm croissant. Enjoy!
This will definitely hit the spot. Thank you, and have a good day.
Finding medicine at the local pharmacy.
Hello. Can you help me, please?
Hi there. Welcome to the city pharmacy. What do you need today?
I am a tourist, and I am feeling a bit under the weather.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is wrong?
I have a very bad headache. My head hurts a lot.
Did you drink enough water today? It is very hot outside.
I think I forgot to drink water. I was walking and taking pictures all day.
That can easily cause a headache. Do you have any other problems?
Yes, my arms and neck are very red. I think I have a sunburn.
Let me look. Yes, the sun is very strong here in Florida.
Do you have any medicine for my head and my skin?
Yes, we have everything you need. Let me grab them for you.
That is a big relief. Thank you.
For your head, you can buy these pain pills.
Okay. How many pills should I take?
Take 2 pills right now with a large glass of water.
2 pills with water. And what about my sunburn?
You should use this green gel. It is made from a plant called aloe vera.
How do I use the aloe vera gel?
Just put a little bit on your red skin. It will feel very cool and nice.
Can I put it on my face too? My nose is very red.
Yes, you can. Just be careful. Do not put it in your eyes.
I understand. How much do these two items cost?
The pills are $5 and the cooling gel is $7.
So that is $12 total. Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. Here is your change, $8, and your receipt.
Thank you for explaining everything. You are a great help.
You're welcome. You should go back to your room and rest.
That is my plan. I will stay inside for the rest of the day.
Drink plenty of water and you will feel good as new tomorrow.
I hope so. Enjoy the rest of your day at work.
Thank you. Feel better soon and enjoy your vacation.
Buying a train ticket and finding the way.
Excuse me, miss. Can you lend a hand, please?
Of course. How can I help you today?
I need to buy a train ticket, but the machine is very confusing.
Do not worry. Those machines can be difficult. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit the City Art Museum.
That is a wonderful museum. It is very big.
Yes, I am very excited to see it, but I do not know which train to take.
You are in luck. The museum is only 4 stops away from this station.
Oh, that is very close.
Yes, it is a short trip. You need to take the Blue Line train.
The Blue Line. Okay. How much does a ticket cost?
A single ticket is $3.
Should I buy my return ticket now, too?
You can buy a day pass for $7. It is a much better deal.
Does a day pass mean I can ride the train all day long?
Yes, exactly. You can ride as many times as you want until midnight.
That sounds perfect. I will take 1 day pass, please.
Great. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I will pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card into the reader right here.
Okay, the card is in.
Now just take your card out. Here is your paper day pass.
Thank you very much. Now, how do I find the Blue Line?
You are on the right track. Just walk straight down this long hall.
Straight down this hall, and then what do I do?
Turn left at the small coffee shop. You will see blue signs on the wall.
Turn left at the coffee shop. I understand.
Make sure you get on the train going north.
The train going north. How will I know it is the correct train?
The digital sign above the train doors will say northbound.
Okay, I will look for that sign. What stop do I get off at?
You get off at the museum station. It is very easy.
Museum station. Got it. Is the museum close to the station?
Yes. When you walk up the stairs, the museum is right across the street.
You made this so easy for me. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a fantastic time at the art museum.
I will. Have a good day.
Taking the city bus.
Hello, is this bus going downtown?
Hello. Yes, this is the downtown bus.
Great. I need to go to the city zoo.
You are in luck. We stop right in front of the zoo.
That is wonderful. How much is the bus ticket?
It is $2.50 for one ride.
Okay, let me find my money.
Please take your time. Watch your step as you get on the bus.
Thank you. Oh no, I have a small problem.
What is wrong, sir?
I only have a $20 bill. I do not have any coins.
I am sorry, but the bus machine does not give change.
Really? So I cannot use my cash?
You can use cash, but it must be the exact amount.
I see. I guess I am out of luck.
Do not worry. Do you have a credit card or a smartphone?
Yes, I have my credit card right here in my pocket.
Perfect. You can just tap your card on the yellow screen.
Just tap it right here?
Yes, just wait for the green light and the loud beep.
Oh, I see the green light now. It beeped.
You are all set. The payment is complete.
Wow, that was a piece of cake. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please find a seat. We're leaving now.
Wait, can I ask you one more quick question?
Of course. What do you need?
I do not know this city very well. It is very big.
Is this your first time visiting here?
Yes, it is. Can you tell me when we reach the zoo?
Absolutely. The zoo is about 7 stops away.
I am afraid I will miss my stop if I do not pay attention.
I will call out the stop loudly so you can hear it.
Thank you so much. You really saved the day.
It is no problem at all. You can sit right here behind me.
I will do that. Thanks again for your help.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Getting walking directions in the city.
Excuse me, can I ask you a quick question?
Hi there. Sure. What do you need?
I think I am completely lost.
Oh no. Where are you trying to go?
I am looking for the Natural History Museum.
That is a great museum, but you are very far away from it.
Really? Am I walking in the wrong direction?
Yes, you are walking away from the city center.
That is a big problem. I need to meet my friend there soon.
Do you have a map on your cell phone?
No, my phone battery is completely dead.
That is okay. I know this city like the back of my hand.
Oh, thank goodness. You are a real lifesaver.
What time do you need to meet your friend?
I need to be at the museum by 2 o'clock.
Well, it is only 1:30 right now. You have plenty of time.
Are you sure? I do not want to be late.
Yes, it is only a 15-minute walk from here.
That is great news. How do I get there?
First, turn around and walk straight down this street.
Okay, turn around and walk straight. For how long?
Walk for 4 blocks. Count the traffic lights.
Walk for 4 blocks. And then what do I do?
Keep an eye out for a very large red post office.
A large red post office. I will look for it.
When you see the post office, turn right.
Turn right at the post office. Got it.
Then walk 1 more block. You will see a big green park.
A big green park. Is the museum near the park?
Yes, it is. The museum is right around the corner from the park gates.
That sounds very easy to find.
It is very easy. You cannot miss it.
Thank you so much for your directions. I really appreciate it.
It is my pleasure. Have a great time at the museum.
I will. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thanks for watching today's lesson. We hope this animated scenario helped you improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Speak English View for more practical English lessons. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Have a great day and keep practicing.